Suppose housewife is there, assume housewife is there. You are handling the family, okay, a bit struggle, financial struggle you are facing. Assume that. Assume a bit financial struggle you are facing. Next, you are already struggle. Your wife is going to tell, next Monday function is there. I won't come to the function, you know already. Hey, they're very close. We record to go. In our house also for every function they came. No, I won't come. You know already the reason. I don't know the reason. Like gold ornaments are not there. How I can come to the function? Release from the bank loan. And then I will come to the function. Are struggling like anything in this position. Okay, releasing is not that much easy, almost around 10 lakhs. Must be required like, I don't know all these nonsense. Are just some other, like you can have some alternative arrangements like, I want, how I can request my friends and so on, or otherwise, how I can use 1 gram gold. No way. No way. Bring the gold, then I will come. Have you observed, right? You require to pay somewhere 20 lakhs or 15 lakhs, you are struggling like anything. All these things are nonsense in wife perspective. Okay, just one housewife example I'm telling. Not every wife is like this. Okay, that don't think in the negative way. Yeah, here that housewife point of view, you know, the point is I want gold. That's my priority. Anna, my friend is there. Anna, my friend is there. Of course, I may not use the word. He's already paying 2 rupees, 3 rupees interest. Struggling like anything to get on a month. To get on a month is struggling like anything. Then his wife condition is, I don't know what you are doing. Whatever you can do. But the total gold should be in my hand. Okay. Before Sravana Masam started. Sravana Masam started, right? In Sravana Masam, today in Telugu, we have Sravana Masam. Like in other states also is this. Is there, right?
Karvachuth.
Karvachuth is a good month where what all occasions are going to be happen, marriages, all those things are going to be happen. Correct, right? In other states also?
Yes.
Or is it Telugu,
They
only
fast.
Telugu month?
They fast and break fast.
Karnataka also, right?
Yeah.
What happened is, I don't know. Before Sravana Masam starts. Okay? The total goal should be there. I require to attend multiple occasions, multiple functions. Okay, Varalakshmi Vratam. Tomorrow is Varalakshmi Vratam, I hope. Varalakshmi Vratam. All those things compulsory required to attend. Hey, I'm struggling for 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh. 25 lakhs gold, how I can arrange? I don't know. I don't. You are paying, right? 2 rupees, 2.5 rupees interest. Every month you are paying lakhs of money, right? So for my happiness, sorry. Do you know this type of discussions are happening? I'm not blaming any person. My intention is, whatever you are doing, all these things are nonsense. My priority is the most important. The opposite person is always going to feel like this. That's why legend completely understand them. Listening. So, do you know the best appreciation you want to give to the opposite person? Yes, appreciation is always going to work or not. I told multiple times, appreciation is always going to work or not, because everyone in the world is eagerly waiting for the appreciation only. Everyone in the world. The best appreciation you can give to the opposite person is listening completely.
ఈ టైంలో ఇదే బ్రహ్మస్తం సార్.
Yeah, Shivaram. Listening. The best appreciation in the world is listening opposite person completely. That's also we are appreciating only. So be like a mirror. Be like a mirror. Mirror won't tell anything. It's always giving the chance to the opposite person to talk. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't be like a projector. Projector job is always telling. It's always going to projecting like that. Don't like a projector. Be like a mirror. 99% of the problems by default will be solved just by simply listening, man.